guys, welcome to my channel. This is Karen from teach.sped.repeat. Today I have a happy planner to share with you guys. So I have 3 happy planners. This is the first one. This is actually not a teacher happy planner, but this is for a student. So it says, make today super. This came in a box, but the box has been opened because my son was very excited that he finally had his own planner. And in the box, you will get 2 these thin washies. So this one is like I'm out of focus here. This is like fire, something like that. It's red. This one's just stripes. And then this one's an eraser. It says rad. I don't know why they include an eraser. Maybe because you'd probably be using pencil to write. And then these 2 stickies here. I'm always like out of focus. So here you go. This one's like a lightning ball, and this one says I love. And then you could easily put it into your happy planner. And then they have 3 stickers. So the first one is this. There you go. And this is the second, with some words and some food. And the last one, well, I guess they have 4 stickers. These ones are like for sports. And this one are words: slumber party, no school, volunteer, help my parents, etc. Okay. And so I'm going to do a flip through of this happy planner here. So there's the cover. Let me show you the back. It's got yellow plastic rings. Okay. And there's the front. There's the message from Stephanie. And of course there's my son's name. So hello, this happy planner kid edition belongs to. And then here are the dates. There you go. So 2018, 2019. It starts in August. I was a little bummed out because I was hoping that it would start in July, but it starts in August. So this one here says my favorites. Have some fun. And then spread a little happy. And these are some of the things that they can do. Like help a family member, read a new book, free space, give a handmade gift, etc. And then it says here, every day is an opportunity to spread a little happy. Act on these prompts. This month, add in your own ideas and watch the happiness spread. This one here is for birthdays. And this one says don't forget. Oh, and it also did come with this dashboard, which is like trucks. And here's the cover for August. And then of course, here's the monthly spread. It says goals, wish list, and these are the dates. This is a dated happy planner. So there are the dates. And then here is where it starts. So this is July 30, and then today was thumbs up, okay, thumbs down, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then you notice there's a book here. It says minutes read, and it's on every day. Same thing on this page. And then there's a joke time here. What word is always spelled wrong in the dictionary? And then there's Saturday, Sunday, and then crushed it. And then you have choices there. And then be your own kind of rock star. And the answer to the riddle is wrong. Okay. So there's another week. And of course, there's Sunday there. It says, oh, the places you'll go, by Dr. Seuss. And then draw your favorite animal. So there's like a prompt. It says here, be silly, be honest, be kind. And there's another joke here. Why do ducks make great detectives? And the answer is here. They always quack the case. And then there's August. Still August, rather. August slash September. And then this is for the month of September. So same thing. My favorites, have some fun. Let's make this. So this is an idea to make bubble snakes. Birthdays, don't forget. And there's a holiday. And this is the cover here. I really like the outer space. It says explore the universe. So there you go. And same thing, just doing a very quick flip through. And this is for October. It's just plain, there's no words. So again, the month at a glance. There's the different weeks. And there's November. It says, always be brave, pow, bam, zap. It kind of looks like the cover here. So there's the month again. And this one's December. It's a shark. I actually don't know why it's a shark. I would have thought it's more Christmas related. Maybe they could have thought of something Christmas related, but in a boyish kind of way. Anyway, so there's December. And this one is January. It says climb trees, do somersaults, catch a critter, dream, build a fort, explore, say please and thank you, read books, ask questions, go fishing. There's the month again. There's February. It says play more. There's the month in a glance. And this is March. It says rad. There's the month at a glance. And this is April. It looks pretty cute. It's like a map. There's the X. Month at a glance. And May, what is the shark's favorite kind of sandwich? Peanut butter and jellyfish. That's what it says. Looks pretty cute. Month at a glance. And this is June, and it just has a bunch of words: zap, bam, bing, bam. There's a month at a glance. It's cool to be kind. And the last month is July. It says never give up. Month at a glance. And the last part here is the notes. And this is the back cover of the Happy Planner. So here it is. This is my son's happy planner. You guys are probably wondering, why did I get my son a happy planner? He is going to be first grade. I thought it'd be nice to teach him even at a young age about, you know, putting his schedule together, planning things, and keeping track of appointments and homework and assignments, and especially long-term projects. And it'll definitely help me remember all the things he needs to do at his school. So again, these are the 2 washies that it comes with. Comes from a box kit. His there, eraser, and I think it has 4 stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, these are the post-it notes. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like it, please do give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. I have 2 more happy planners that I'm going to unbox. It's just that I will get to recording them. If not today, then probably tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and have a great summer. Bye!